Hi guys, Carl here from Metabo. Here we have the new KGS 216M compound miter saw. This is a 1500 watt machine with a 65mm depth of cut at 90 degrees. You can see here that all the red dials are an indication that something's going on. If it's coloured red, it's a function, it's a feature, it moves something. So you can see here we have blade lockdown mechanism. Release that and the blade is now active for cutting. We have locking clamp here for the rear slides on the rails. Release that and that will give us a 305mm width of cut on nice and smooth precision needle roller bearings. To the sides of the machine we have a solid milled aluminium base, and on the left we have side extension pods to support longer work pieces, and also built in a nice clever idea, length stops. To the front of the machine we have a miter mechanism, and with this we can miter left and right to 47 degrees. To the rear of the machine we have the bevel mechanism, and this allows us to bevel left to 47 degrees. Let's cut some oak. This is the Metabo KGS 216 compound miter saw, available from toolstock.co.uk.